Hey, my name is Tenzin and I'm here to teach you how to fix Error-0x8007016A on your Windows desktop. If you ever happen to get this kind of error on your window, then you may try several ways, but it won't be working. But say for example, if I get this kind of file which is indicated with mark X on it. However, if you want to delete this file, you won't be able to delete it. Like say for example, I will delete this file and you get this error again and again. Even if you try, you won't be able to do that. All you need to do is skip this and you will still see that the file is appearing on the desktop itself. It is really simple to do this. You are getting this one because of the OneDrive folder you might have shifted here and there, and that's where the file location might have been changed and you are not able to delete and you are not able to locate that file. There are other ways to do that, but simplest way of doing this one is I'll show you right away. I will show you, like say for example, OneDrive. Even when you click on my OneDrive, you can still see this kind of rated X on the folder or the file that which I have previously. If you try to delete this one, you can't do that. But only simple way to do this one is to go to the desktop or the location where you have kept this file. All you need to do is create a new folder there and keep this folder as it is, and then just open it and drag and drop the file into that folder and then close this one. Once you have closed this one, then you will be pretty much seeing that folder containing that file. What you will have to do is then you go to this section and left click your mouse in the regular way that you used to do and delete this file. Your file that you have, the error will be gone, and if you check into recycle, you will see that folder inside that. If you empty this one, your file is gone forever. So this is how you can delete the folder marks that is X. This is the easiest way you can delete it. And if you find any value in this video, then please comment me in the comment section below and share this video to friends and family to support me to produce this kind of videos in the future. Thank you for watching my video, and I will be coming up a new topic next video. And if you have any other topic that you want me to do, then please comment me in the comment section below so that I can come up with the best solution for you. Thanks for watching my video, and I will be waiting to seeing you on my next video.